Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K.D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learned human health and disease chapter content concept, common human diseases, congenital diseases and acquired diseases are common human diseases. Acquired diseases are also further divided into infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. We also learned in previous lecture term pathogen and parasite and detail disease malaria. Today we are going to learn some more concept including human health and disease chapter, disease amoebiasis and disease ascariasis. So let us start today's first. Amoebiasis. Amoebiasis means it is one of the disease also known as amoebic dysentery. Amoebiasis is also one of the disease also known as amoebic dysentery caused by protist or parasite Entamoeba histolytica. Means which one is pathogen of amoebiasis? Entamoeba histolytica is one of the pathogen cause amoebiasis disease. So Entamoeba histolytica is one of the pathogen of amoebiasis disease. It is common infection of human gastrointestinal tract. अमीबायोसिस ने ह्यूमन बिंगला एक कॉमन इन्फेक्शन होतं ह्यूमन गॅस्ट्रोइंटेस्टायनल ट्रॅक्टला. गॅस्ट्रो मीन्स स्टमच, इंटेस्टाइन मीन्स इंटेस्टाइन. सो stomach and intestine region, a common infection is seen in amoebiasis, which affect about 15% population of India. भारताचं 15% पॉप्युलेशन हे अमेबायोसिस या कॉमन इन्फेक्शनने ह्यूमन गॅस्ट्रोइंटेस्टायनल ट्रॅक्टला अफेक्ट होतं. 15% population of India. Hope that you understood everything. Now we detail discuss symptoms of amoebiasis. Diarrhea is a common symptoms of amoebiasis. What is diarrhea? Yes, diarrhea means watery stool emerge from the bowel a day 2-3 times or more times. Such watery stool removed from the bowel condition called as diarrhea, and due to diarrhea dehydration process takes place in the human body. Flatulence means accumulation of gas is also seen in amoebiasis. Flatulence, accumulation of gas like condition also seen in amoebiasis. Stool with mucus is also one of the most important symptoms of amoebiasis. स्टूल मध्ये आपल्याला म्युकस दिसून येतं. फ्लॅच्युलेन्स मीन्स accumulation of gases and diarrhea means dehydration process takes place due to watery stool emerge from the bowel. Abdominal pain are common symptoms of amoebiasis. Next, passing of blood with stool. Stool सोबत आपल्याला blood ही दिसून येतं, and this is also a symptoms of amoebiasis is common serve cases. Next number, hepatomegaly means inflammation of liver. If the parasite enter the liver, liver develop amoebic liver abscess if the parasite enter in the liver. जेव्हा पॅरासाईट लिव्हरमध्ये एंटर होतो तेव्हा लिव्हरला डेव्हलप झालेला जो पार्ट असतो त्याला आपण म्हणतो अमेबिक लिव्हर ॲब्सेस. अँड सच कंडिशन लीड्स टू फीवर, पेन इन राईट ॲबडॉमन बिकॉज राईट साईड प्रेझेंट लिव्हर. सो फीवर, ताप येतो त्या पर्सनला, पेन होतं राईट साईड ॲबडॉमनला. अँड सच कंडिशन इज अमेबिक लिव्हर ॲब्सेस. सो up to this we detail discuss different symptoms of amoebiasis. Next, mode of transmission of amoebiasis disease. कोणत्या पद्धतीने ट्रान्समिशन होतो फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन. फर्स्ट वन इज feco-oral route is one of the mode of transmission of amoebiasis. Feco means fecal matter emerge from the anus. So through anus is mode of transmission of amoebiasis pathogen in the new body. Oral route means mouth cavity. Through mouth cavity is also transmission amoebiasis pathogen in the body. So feco-oral route is one of the mode of transmission of amoebiasis. Second one is eating with dirty hand. Dirty hand असतानाही जर आपण फूड इटिंग केलं तर त्या फूड बरोबर डर्टी हँडला अटॅच असलेले पॅथोजन्स एंटर होतात इनसाइड द माउथ कॅव्हिटी. अँड दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोड ऑफ ट्रान्समिशन ऑफ amoebiasis. And third one is contaminated food and water. Food contaminated असेल, water contaminated असेल means pathogens of amoebiasis like Entamoeba histolytica is present in the food as well as water. Such food and water is enter in the mouth cavity of new person. So such person get infected by Entamoeba histolytica and cause a disease known as amoebiasis. So here noted, feco-oral route, eating with dirty hand and contaminated food and water are mode of transmission of amoebiasis. Now, how diagnosis amoebiasis? Amoebiasis कोणत्या पद्धतीने डायग्नोसिस केला जातो. Amoebiasis diagnosed by microscopic examination of the stool sample, fecal matter or stool sampleचं microscopic examination केलं जातं. If in the stool present Entamoeba histolytica pathogens, the person suffer amoebiasis disease, means positive test of amoebiasis due to presence of Entamoeba histolytica in the stool sample. So microscopic examination of stool sample is one of the diagnosis test of amoebiasis disease. Now we detail discuss treatment of amoebiasis. How treat amoebiasis disease? Amoebiasis disease treat by use of some important medicine like metronidazole is one of the medicine treat amoebiasis disease. Second one is tinidazole is also one of the medicine treat amoebiasis disease. Means metronidazole and tinidazole is most important medicine for treat amoebiasis. These two medicines can destroy the entamoeba histolytica in the digestive tract. डायजेस्टिव्ह ट्रॅक्टमध्येच एंटामोबा हिस्टॅलिटिका ह्या 2 केमिकल औषधांनी डिस्ट्रॉय केला जातो. दिस इज द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ अमिबायोसिस. नाउ वी डिटेल डिस्कस. प्रिव्हेन्शन अँड कंट्रोल ऑफ अमिबायोसिस. Amoebiasis prevent. Wash hand with hot water and soap after using toilets and changing baby's diaper. After using टॉयलेटच्या यूज नंतर and changing baby's diaper नंतर आपले हात वॉश केले पाहिजेत. हॉट वाटरने, गरम पाण्याने हात वॉश केले पाहिजेत. सॉप वापरला पाहिजे. आफ्टर यूजिंग टॉयलेट, चेंजिंग बेबीज डायपर इज वन ऑफ द प्रिव्हेन्शन कंट्रोल ऑफ अमिबायोसिस. सेकंड वन इज ड्रिंक बॉईल वॉटर. कोणतेही वॉटर हे ड्रिंक करण्या अगोदर बॉईल केलं पाहिजे. Otherwise water must be chlorinated and filtered. Otherwise water must be कमीत कमी ते क्लोरिनेटेड केलं पाहिजे, फिल्टर केलं पाहिजे. Then it is used for the consumption, and this is also one of the prevention control of amoebiasis. Avoid eating unhygienic food. जे अस्वच्छ फूड असेल ते आपण ईटिंग करू नये, अवॉइड करावं. सो अवॉइड ईटिंग अनहायजेनिक फूड. इट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्रिव्हेन्शन अँड कंट्रोल ऑफ अमिबायोसिस. व्हेजिटेबल मस्ट बी प्रॉपरली वॉश अँड कुक. प्रॉपर सॅनिटेशन फॅसिलिटीज including sewage disposal help in prevention. Here noted all 6 different points are prevention and control of amoebiasis. Amoebiasis कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी कोणकोणती प्राथमिक काळजी घेतली पाहिजे. वॉश हँड विथ हॉट वॉटर अँड सॉप आफ्टर यूजिंग टॉयलेट and changing baby's diaper. Drink boiled water. Otherwise water must be chlorinated and filtered. Avoid eating unhygienic food. Vegetable must be properly washed and cooked. Proper sanitation facility including sewage disposal help in prevention. Now up to this we detail discuss amoebiasis, one of the infectious disease. Now we detail discuss ascariasis is also one of the infectious disease. What is ascariasis? Ascariasis is an infectious disease of human intestinal tract caused by roundworms. Ascariasis, one of the infectious disease of human intestinal tract caused by roundworm Ascaris lumbricoides. Means Ascaris lumbricoides या पॅथोजनने ॲस्कॅरियासिस नावाचा डिसीज होतो. अँड इट इज ऑल्सो इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज. मीन्स ट्रान्समिशन फ्रॉम वन इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन टू अनदर इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन. अँड सच डिसीज इज ॲक्च्युअल effect on or in intestinal tract of the human being, and this disease is caused by Ascaris lumbricoides is one of the roundworm ज्याला आपण गोल कृमी म्हणतो. सो राउंडवर्म Pathogen Ascaris lumbricoides cause ascariasis disease. Ascaris lumbricoides is an endoparasite. You know, parasite means a organism live in or on the other organism for two purposes, food and shelter. Such organism called as parasite. When parasite is live inside the host of the host body, so such parasite called as endoparasite. Means Ascaris is also endoparasitic roundworm or nematode. What is Ascaris lumbricoides? It is an endoparasitic roundworm or nematode cause a infectious disease known as ascariasis. Means Ascaris lumbricoides ने ascariasis नावाचा डिसीज होतो. What are the symptoms of ascariasis? Number one, first, gastrointestinal discomfort is a common symptoms of ascariasis. Leads to vomiting and fever is one of the symptoms of ascariasis. Second one is presence of live worms in the fecal matter. जो पर्सन ॲस्कॅरियासिस डिसीज सफर करतो त्या पर्सनच्या फिकल मॅटरमध्ये जिवंत वार्म असतात. मीन्स ॲस्कॅरिस आढळून येतात. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द सिम्पटम्स ऑफ ॲस्कॅरियासिस. नंबर थर्ड, लॉस ऑफ ॲपेटाईट. ज्या इंटेस्टाईनमध्ये ॲस्कॅरिस प्रेझेंट असतात त्या इंटेस्टाईन असलेल्या चाइल्ड्सला भूक लागत नाही, भूक मंदावते, वेट लॉस होतो बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ रेडीमेड डायजेस्टेड फूड इज ॲब्झॉर्ब बाय द worms like ascaris. So such child becomes weight less child or weight loss child. Next, number 4, some patients show pulmonary disorders like pneumonitis. Pneumonitis is also one of the major symptoms of ascariasis. Some patients show pulmonary disorders like pneumonitis. Such pneumonitis is also one of the symptoms of ascariasis. Due to pneumonitis, inflammation of alveolar valve is show in pneumonitis disease. Eosinophilia means very increased number of eosinophil WBC in the blood. So eosinophilia is also one of the symptoms of ascariasis. Up to this we detail discuss different symptoms of ascariasis. Now we detail discuss mode of transmission of ascariasis. How ascariasis disease transmission from one infected person to other normal person. Food and drinks contaminated with the eggs of ascaris. फूड मध्ये, ड्रिंक मध्ये जर का ॲस्कॅरिसचे एग असतील तर ते होऊ शकतात मोड ऑफ ट्रान्समिशन. अँड दिस इज ऑल्सो a main mode of transmission. Means egg of ascaris are contaminated in the food as well as drink is the main mode of transmission of ascariasis disease. Second one is egg hatch inside the intestine of the new host. Such eggs transmitted with the help of food and drink in the new body. So inside the new body, egg hatch inside the intestine of the new host. The larvae pass through, emerge larvae from the eggs, hatch after. Such larvae pass through various organs of the human body and settle as adults in the digestive system. लार्वी नंतर जी स्टेज ॲडल्ट मध्ये कन्वर्ट होते ती ॲडल्ट स्टेज सेटल होते इनसाइड द इंटेस्टाइन or digestive system of the host, and in the digestive system the eggs release inside the intestine. Means here noted all these three different points are mode of transmission of Escherichiasis. Hope that you understood everything. Now we detail discuss life cycle of Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris lumbricoides life cycle is completed in the intestine and different organs of the human body. Man ingests egg in food or soil. Man ingests egg in food or soil. Such eggs are transferred into the mouth cavity of man. Then it transfer into the intestine. Inside the intestine, absorption process takes place. Due to absorption, eggs or larval stages of Ascaris are transfer from small intestine to venous system, means circulatory system. Such through circulatory system, the larval stage or egg transfer to lungs, to trachea, to esophagus, and through esophagus it transfer inside the intestine. In the intestine, male and female Ascaris are form adult stage. Fertilization takes place inside the intestine and released fertilized egg inside the intestine. Such intestinal region contain fertilized egg of Ascaris are emerge through the stool or fecal matter into the soil. In the soil, present fertilized egg are transferred into the food contaminated or drink contaminated, and such food or drink contaminated, if ingest the man through the food or drink, fertilized egg enter into the mouth cavity of man and continue the cycle. Hope that you understood everything here. Life cycle of Ascaris lumbricoides. Now, how diagnose Ascariasis disease? Ascariasis disease can diagnosed by microscopic examination of stool sample. स्टूल सॅम्पलचा मायक्रोस्कोपिक एक्झामिनेशन केल्यानंतर स्टूलमध्ये जर का ॲस्कॅरिस लुम्ब्रिकॉइडिस पॅथोजन्स जर आपल्याला आढळून आले तर पॉझिटिव्ह टेस्ट असेल ॲस्कॅरियासिसची. मीन्स microscopic examination of stool sample is one of the diagnostic test of Ascariasis. Now, treatment of Ascariasis. Ascariasis treated by antihelminthic drugs. Ascariasis disease treated केला जातो એન્ટીહેલ્મેટિક ડ્રગ્સની લાઈક નંબર 1 ફર્સ્ટ antihelminthic drugs like piperazine. Piperazine is one of the antihelminthic drugs which used to treat ascariasis disease. Also antihelminthic drugs like mebendazole is also antihelminthic drugs used to treat ascariasis disease. Also levamisole, also pyrantel. First one is avoiding defecation in open space, prevent the spread of ascaris. ascaris spread होण्याचं जर थांबवायचं असेल तर सगळ्यात आधी अवॉइड केलं पाहिजे डेफिकेशन इन ओपन स्पेस. ओपन स्पेसमध्ये डेफिकेशन स्टॉप केलं पाहिजे, अवॉइड केलं पाहिजे, सो दॅट प्रिव्हेंट द स्प्रेड ascaris and due to this prevention and control of ascariasis disease. Second one is personal hygienic habits like washing hand with water and soap after using toilet are also important. वैयक्तिक स्वच्छता मध्ये आपण स्वतःला हॅबिट केलं पाहिजे. वॉशिंग हँड विथ वॉटर अँड सोप आफ्टर यूजिंग टॉयलेट आर ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर प्रिव्हेन्शन अँड कंट्रोल ऑफ ascariasis. And third one is washing vegetable thoroughly before cooking and avoiding raw vegetable also prevention. Here noted the different prevention and control of ascariasis. Up to this today's lecture completed. Review today's topic. We learn in today's lecture disease amoebiosis. In that we detail discuss mode of transmission of amoebiosis, sign and symptoms of amoebiosis, diagnosis and treatment of amoebiosis, prevention and control of amoebiosis. We also discuss in today's lecture disease ascariasis, mode of transmission, symptoms of ascariasis, diagnosis and treatment of ascariasis, prevention and control of ascariasis. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. First MCQ question number 1. Amoebiosis is caused by Plasmodium vivax, Entamoeba histolytica, Ascaris lumbricoides, Plasmodium ovale. Yes, the correct answer is yes. Anybody? Second MCQ question. Ascariasis is dash dash disease. Ascaris disease हा खालीलपैकी कोणत्या प्रकारात येतो? Ascariasis is a fungal disease. Ascariasis is a bacterial disease. Ascariasis is parasitic disease. Ascariasis is viral disease. So ascariasis is included in which type of disease? Fungal, bacterial, parasitic, viral. Yes. Number 3. Identify infectious disease of human intestinal tract. Intestinal tract ला इन्फेक्शन क्रिएट करणारा डिसीज आयडेंटिफाय करा. अमीबायोसिस, ॲस्कॅरियासिस, मलेरिया, फिलारियासिस. Yes, those disease infection to the intestinal tract of human being Is it amoebiasis? Is it ascariasis? Is it malaria, or is it filariasis? Yes, the correct answer is now. Short answer question. Name the pathogen cause ascariasis. Ascariasis disease cause करणारा pathogen कोणता असेल? Yes. How many % population of India affect as human gastrointestinal tract due to amoebiasis? Yes. How many % population affect the human gastrointestinal tract due to amoebiasis? किती % पॉप्युलेशन इंडियाचं अफेक्ट होतं ह्युमन गॅस्ट्रोइंटेस्टायनल ट्रॅक्टला? यस. नंबर 3. Explain the mode of infection and cause the ascariasis. Ascariasis disease कोणत्या पद्धतीने infection transmitted होतं from one infected person to normal person? So explain the mode of infection and cause of ascariasis. Yes. Match column with A with column B. In column A, diseases, and column B, symptoms. First one is disease ascariasis. Here A, B, C, D. Which one is a symptom of ascariasis? Is it passing of blood with stool in common in serve cases? Nasal conjunction or sneezing, presence of live worm in the fecal matter, cyclic fever, sweating, sudden shivering. Which one is a symptom of ascariasis? Yes. Malaria is one of the disease. Which one symptoms of malaria here? A, B, C, D. Amoebiasis is also one of the disease. Which one is most important symptoms of amoebiasis? Is it A, B, C, D? And common cold is also one of the disease. Show symptoms. Which one? Is it A, B, C, or D? Up to this, today's lecture completed. I hope that you understood everything. जर का आपण पूर्ण लेक्चर अटेंड केलं असेल तर एक्झरसाइज पार्टमध्ये असलेले क्वेश्चन आपण सहज सोडवू शकतो. पूर्ण लेक्चर बघितल्यावर एक्झरसाइजमधले सगळे क्वेश्चन्स सॉल्व करा, नोट्स लिहा. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube BioInfo channel. Tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.